Hey everyone, Casey here. We're gonna go over some YourNetProfits today. Uh, this site is a hourly payout of 0.15%. It basically takes about 28 days to get your 100% back, and then everything past that is free profitable money. I like to throw in some slower earners like this, along with the fast, crazy, really crazy high risk ones like the super chicken one I'm currently in, to help kind of balance out and take some of the risk out. I mean, there's always risk when, even for this, there's a risk that it ain't gonna make it 29 days, but it's a risk I'm willing to take, and as you can see, I've already withdrawn more than I've deposited. And in fact, I'm pulling out another $57 today. So I have stuff staking in Bitcoin, Litecoin, Doge, and Ethereum. But today I'm going to pull out the money in Ethereum. I need to build up my Ethereum wallet because there's a couple of projects that I'm wanting to get more heavily involved with. So we're going to use the internal exchange and convert it to Ethereum. So we'll start with Bitcoin to Ethereum. I lose, what, 53 cents to exchange it. I'm okay with that. It's a 6% fee to exchange it. The higher the amount gets, the better it is you do it somewhere else. So if it was like $50 or $60 in Litecoin, I'd probably send it to, here, let's do it this way. So, let's go Litecoin, LTC. To ETH, yeah. So if I had one Litecoin in there, it would cost, what, $4? Less than $4 to get it in there. So over here it would be whatever 6% is. Let's pull up a calculator. Give me just a second to get it pulled up. Wasn't planning on doing this. So 59 times 0.96, nope. So 59 times 0.94 equals, you can't even see that on the screen. So 59, and I did 64, wow. 59 times 0.94 equals $55.46. So we would lose more going through YourNetProfits doing the exchange as compared to exchanging it straight in Exodus. So just remember, the higher the dollar value, the less it's going to make sense. So keep to the smaller ones. Keep to the smaller amounts and you'll be fine. Alright, so Dogecoin is next. To Ethereum, exchange, confirm. So we now have $52.96 and we're about $55. So I lost $3 exchanging it all in here instead of through the Exodus wallet or someplace else. But let's go ahead and do with our withdrawal. want to 52.94. Do Ethereum. Oh, I forgot about my 2FA code. Alright. Hit confirm. Normally this happens pretty instantly. See if it, we'll give it a minute to show up, but you can check your deposit history, your withdrawal histories, your income histories. The income history is kind of cool because every time you make a deposit, it's basically a new income line. So every hour, it'll tell you exactly how much you're getting paid per hour in that coin. I've been letting this one build up for probably about 5 or 6 days now. So every deposit, every earning from every deposit, every hour. It's kind of a neat way for them to do it. And you can look at your full history. You can even change the currencies. Yep. There it is, it hit. Don't know why it's not showing here, but my amount did go up. Don't know why, but it's there. So I just put out a video a little bit ago about Ample. Should check that one out. Also, if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe. I'm trying to bust to 1,000 subscribers, and I think I'm at 725, so almost there. If y'all could help me out, that'd be great. Also, if you want to join this program, the link is in the description. I think it gives me a little bit of a bonus for when y'all deposit. I don't really remember. I know it's my affiliate link and I get something from it. I don't remember. But it'll help keep me going, keep adding more programs to show y'all. So y'all have a wonderful day, and try your hardest to stay out of trouble today.